Now at 5, New York City taking action in this COVID surge. New testing sites are opening now after long lines swarm the city just before the holidays.
We're going to see a surge in cases for a few weeks. Then we think we're going to see it start to trail off. The answer is vaccination.
Mayor de Blasio says the surge is only going to get worse before it should get better quickly. And late this afternoon, we learned the state's top doctor just contracted the virus herself. Good to have you with us. I'm Adam Cooperstein. Leaders in the tri-state say we haven't faced the worst of this Omicron surge yet. They expect COVID cases to keep going up over the next few weeks. And as the positivity rate grows, it appears so do the lines to get tested. Mayor de Blasio says around 130,000 New Yorkers are getting tested every day for COVID. That's why you're seeing these long lines at testing sites really across the city, with wait times of more than 2 hours in some spots. And to cut down on those wait times, Mayor de Blasio announcing today 23 new sites are opening this week. But it comes after a major miscalculation by the city. News 4's Jessica Cunnington kicks off our team coverage from a testing site in the Bronx. Jessica?
Yeah, Adam, the city really trying to catch up with the testing demand now. I'm right outside St. James Park. There's usually one testing van here. Now there's two. First, it was this line all afternoon, but now we are seeing a second testing line growing longer and longer, more than 50 people, as again, the numbers are surging and people need to get tested.
It's a tale of two lines in Harlem.
I've been waiting for 2 hours.
Almost an hour. The line at this center's urgent care stretched the whole block at 125th and Madison. The clock to Christmas is ticking.
My mom's like, get tested before you come.
The more testing sites, the better, because I need to know. I want to spend Christmas with my family.
Right across the street, a city PCR pop-up site. No line at all.
Look up to the sky.
Ebony and her son drove around for an hour to find a short line. They came from Westchester.
I need it because we were exposed. I'd rather a PCR, but I was at a point where I was like, I'll take anything. I want something.
Many people opting for rapid tests, though, not wanting to chance it.
I want to leave in a couple days and just want to make sure I get the test back.
The city today admitting they underestimated Omicron, scaling back some testing last month.
We did not expect Omicron to move quite this quickly.
Reacting to this surge now by adding more testing sites across the city and giving out 500,000 at-home kits this week.
We want to make sure that people constantly have the correct information and know where they can go for testing.
But confusion in the Bronx. One of the new sites listed on this official flyer as opening today at 7 a.m. is currently an empty tent at the Watson Educational Complex. The city confirming this site will actually be open tomorrow at 7 a.m.
Give us a few seconds.
Blocks away at St. James Park, there's an additional testing van today to help meet demand.
We want to get together with our families, and we can't unless we're sure.
All while late this afternoon, Governor Kathy Hochul announcing another record-breaking number of COVID cases across the state, and that the state health commissioner tested positive too.
Everyone who sees me is tested, or all the team that comes through here is tested every day. We, following the strict protocol, should be having another PCR test just to confirm that.
Yeah, Dr. Mary Bassett with that mild breakthrough case like so many others tonight. Now, in terms of those at-home tests that so many want to get so they don't have to be waiting on these lines, the state's getting 5 million more before the end of the year, 5 million after in the beginning of the new year. So that'll be the first week of January, after experts say that could be during a possible post-holiday surge. In Fordham tonight, I'm Jessica Cunnington, News 4, New York.
Can't get those tests soon enough, Jessica. Thank you. Well, as of today, teachers at the city's non-public schools are also required to prove they've been vaccinated against COVID-19, at least with one shot. The requirement applies to other staffers, too. And the city here has a mandate that affects about 56,000 employees in nearly 1,000 schools. Some people have protested against it, but the mayor has said that he is doing everything in his power to keep the city's youngest kids and residents safe. Now to New Jersey, where for the 6th day in a row, more than 6,000 COVID cases were reported statewide. Those are the highest numbers that we have seen there since January. Hospitalizations are also on the rise in the Garden State. But 1 year ago, for perspective here, the number was nearly twice as high as today. And officials say that's the vaccine doing its work to protect people. News 4's Sarah Wallace picks up our team coverage from Paramus, where there's a big rush to get people tested before the holidays.
Thank you. And are you guys saliva or nasal?
The drive-through COVID testing line at Bergen Newbridge Medical Center in Paramus seeing a 5-fold increase from last week. The pre-registration schedule booked up for the next several days.
I was just exposed to somebody that I work with, so I'm getting a test and I have some symptoms. So I'm getting the test to make sure I'm not sick for the holidays.
Mary Elena Sella brought her 11-year-old son. They'll get results in 24 to 48 hours.
I tested positive, and my son was here on Thursday. He tested negative, but it took us so long to get the results that we're back here getting him tested again.
Steps away, hundreds lined up for vaccines. The majority of people here for boosters.
Why did you decide to get it?
Because the Omicron virus is more virulent than any other virus. And so the environment's more dangerous. We're in a holiday season. We've got a flu season coming.
I was going to wait a little bit longer until after the holidays, but with the numbers up, I figured take the first appointment I could get. So I'm grateful to be here.
But there were huge delays even for those with appointments because initially walk-ins were allowed as well. The system overwhelmed.
I had an appointment. I thought it was going to be kind of an in and out thing, and it's packed.
I think this is run very poorly. There's no organization outside.
It was chaos.
Ma'am, next.
The county executive trying to streamline the process.
We're stopping the walk-ins at noon. Okay. So it'll be everybody that has an appointment, and then we can focus hopefully a little bit more on Pfizer then.
All right, so we'll be ready. We just got a delivery of Pfizer vaccine.
All right, good.
1,000 shots given out by mid-afternoon.
The line is really long, but you know, I'm off today from work, so I'm prepared. As long as it takes, I'll be out here.
In spite of the crush we saw here today, only 40% of eligible New Jersey residents have gotten their boosters. And keep in mind that the PCR positivity rate yesterday was the highest it's been since last January. The governor announcing they will be ramping up testing sites. From Paramus, Sarah Wallace, News 4 New York.
Okay, we'll see if that helps alleviate things. Sarah, thanks. There's a push right now for more testing in Connecticut, too. Governor Ned Lamont just wrapped up a COVID briefing, reporting the state's positivity rate hovering around 7% again today, and then another increase in hospitalizations. But Lamont says we are in a much better position than a year ago.
We're in a much better position because we know how to defend ourselves, and we know that what works. We know that masking works. We know that vaccinations work. We know that boosters work.
Lamont says that state testing facilities are extending hours and 7 additional sites are opening up. Also today, Connecticut rolled out its digital health cards. Those are essentially vaccine passports, kind of like the ones you've seen in New York, like the Excelsior Pass. Well, stay with News 4 as we track the latest on this COVID surge, from new testing sites to the latest cancellations on Broadway, school closures. Just head to NBCNewYork.com or download our free app.